Hello students, let's continue with rule number 3. Rule 3 is rule of subtraction. If a symbol of a smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. Let's understand this with an example. See, the smaller value is left of the higher value. Then what we will do? We will subtract smaller value from the higher value. Okay, for finding this symbol's total value. Let's see one more example. I and x. You can see x value is what? 10 and the value of I is what? 1. If according to rule 3, if the smaller value is left of higher value, we simply subtract value of smaller from the higher value for finding that symbol's actual value. Hope the rule of subtraction is clear to everybody. Rule number 4. The rule 4 says when a Roman numerals of a smaller value is put between two numerals of greater value, it is subtracted from the numerals on its right. See, x, I, v. As you can see, value of x is 10, value of v is 5 and value of I is what? 1. According to rule 4, in this case, what we have to do? The middle value. If the middle value is smaller than both the value, then middle value will subtract it from numerals on its right. So the middle value is what? 1. It will be subtracted from its right. Okay. So 1 will be subtracted from 5. After subtraction, what we will get? We will get 4 and 4 will be added to this 10. So this actual value will be what? 14. Let me explain one more time. X, I, V. Value of x is 10. Value of v is 5. Value of I is 1. So, if the smaller value put between two numerals of greater value, then the middle value will be subtracted from the numerals on its right. So the middle numerals value is what? 1. It will be subtracted. After subtraction, what we are getting? We are getting 4. It will be added to this first numerals value and it is what? 14. So x1b, its actual value will be 1, 4, 14. Let's see one more example. L, I, x. The value of L is what? 50. Value of x is 10. Value of I is 1. So the middle value, where this middle value have to go? It will subtract it on its right. After subtracting, I value of I is 1. I will be subtracted on its right, that is 10. We will get 9 and this 9 will be added to this L and L value is what? 50. So we'll add in 50. It will be what? 59. So the value of L, I, x will be 59. Hope rule number 4 is clear to everybody. Let's take one more example. X, I and x. Value of x is 10. Value of this x is 10 and this is the middle one. Its value is what? 1. According to rule 4, this middle value will be subtracted on its right. After subtraction, whatever digit is coming, it will be added to the left number, that is x is 10, 19. So x 1x, its value will be 19. Hope the rule number 4 is also clear to everybody. Now children, this is today's homework. Do complete Roman numerals 1 to 50 in your copy. Write the Roman numerals in this pattern only. Thank you students. Bye bye.